beads, scissors, nylon string, lighter, and so this is the type of cord or string that I'm going to use. It is a nylon type, and they have many type of brand, but the material and the size are the same. So this is the one that I always use for doing earrings too. This is 0.8 mm size. So this is how it's look. So it's quite sturdy, so that's why I prefer this type of cord or string to use phone strap. This is my favorite closure for phone strap because it is very seamless, where the knot is here but you can't see like any cut of a cord, this cord, because I hide it in here inside this bead. So you need to have a one bead with a larger hole. So like for example like this one. Okay, let's focus. So like this bead, it has bigger hole which can cover the ending here later on. So now let's begin. So first let's measure this first. So the length of this phone strap is more or less like 14 or 15 centimeter, but the total length is like between 20 centimeter. But it's depend on you guys, because different people have different size of wrist. So make sure that you can insert your hand inside this phone strap like this. So because your phone going to be here, make sure it is feel comfortable. So you can always adjust the length of your front strap depending on your wrist size, or let's say if you just want to hold your phone like this only, you can make it shorter. Well, it's depend on you guys. But the things that I'm going to show here is how to do this seamless closure. So let's begin. So here I have cut this cord. The length of this cord is 70 centimeter. But if you're not really sure how, you can always cut it longer, so that in the end later on you can always adjust it. So for this one is 70 centimeter. So first thing first is you need to do your cord like this, equal, and then you need to secure the head here first, because this one going to connect with your phone later on, your phone case. So this one, so I always do it like 5 centimeter here. But before you do the closure later on, so you need to do a little bit longer here first, so that you can adjust it later on. So you just tie it, make a knot like this, but don't pull it too tight. Like this, just enough to secure it. So there's a two-way here. Let's say you want to do the closure here, you need to adjust your cord here a little bit shorter here and longer here, like this. If you decided to make your closure here, because your beads, the bigger hole here is in the middle of here, so one shorter, one longer, so that this one you can make a knot here like this one, this side. But because I don't want to make it complicated, so I will just do the closure here at the center middle here, ending it here. So now you can just insert all your favorite beads inside. complete all your beads here, so left ending here. So you just insert this final bead like this. So it's going to be like this later on, and you can adjust here. So let's focus here. So take this string and cross it like this, and you hold it. Then bring this string back over here, bring it back, and then bring it forward like this. Then you see this like this string, a loop here, and then there's a straight line behind from this string. Then this one you bring downward here, bring downward, and then you bring it up again like this. So it's going to be like from behind, go down here, and then cross over this straight line, and then you go up again here. Then you're going to have this kind of shape, like the infinity shape. Then you pull it closely. Make sure it's very near to the bead so that your fun strap won't loose. So slowly pull it, and then pull it tight as hard as you can, like this. So it won't break. So it's going to be like this. And just cut this off, because you're going to hide this inside here. So that's why it's look very seamless. But before that, you need to cut this off. And use this lighter to secure it. Okay, now you just pull it and use this pin to push it inside. Okay, just pull it, and it's going to be inside here. That's why you need to use a bigger hole, beads with a bigger hole. So you're just gonna push it inside. Okay, just enough to make it hide there. So if you still feel insecure, you can always put glue inside, so it will stick inside there. So it's already hide inside this, and I just use some glue to make it more secure. But be careful with the glue, make sure it does not spill over. So make it close here. Now, so you already secure your knot inside here. Now you just need to adjust this back to make it more tight and tidy. So push it down like this. So this one going to be tight, and just make a knot up here. Okay, now we are done.